Our next step is to write the bending moment equation using Macaulay's method. Consider point C as origin. Let us take a section XX across the beam at a distance x from origin C, and let us move this section from origin point C to other extreme end F and write the bending moment equation about section XX in a single equation applicable to all parts of beam. Now we see here there is no uniformly distributed load, so we do not need to make any kind of load adjustment on the beam. So let us take a section XX which is between point C and A and at a distance x from the origin point C. Now writing the bending moment about section XX, considering the left hand side of section, we have mxx is equal to ei d square y by dx square is equal to, we have the anti-clockwise moment caused due to the downward force of 6 kN acting at a distance of x from section XX. So we have minus 6 into x. Now since this equation is valid only between point C and A, let us put it in the first partition, and this equation is valid only between point C and A. Now let's move this section towards right beyond point A such that your section now is between point A and D at the same distance x from the origin C. Now writing the bending moment equation about section XX, considering the left hand side of section, we'll have the same anti-clockwise moment caused due to this downward force of 6 kN acting at distance x. So this part will be valid. Only there will be an additional clockwise moment caused due to this vertical support reaction VA acting at a distance of x minus 2 meter from section XX. So we have plus VA into x minus 2 meter. Now again, since this equation is valid only between point A and D, let's put it under second partition, and this much part of the equation is valid between point A and D. Now let's move this section again towards right beyond point D such that your section XX is now between point D and E at a distance x from your origin point C. Now writing the bending moment equation about section XX, considering the left hand side of section, we will have these two terms caused due to these two forces, plus there will be additional two moments caused due to this downward vertical force of 10 kN acting at a distance of x minus 4 meter. Also there is a clockwise moment of 50 kN meter. So we have minus 10 into x minus 4 meter moment plus 50 kN meter moment, which is at a distance of x minus 4, and let me write this as x minus 4 dot, meaning that this term is 1, so 1 multiplied by 50 is the actual value of moment 50 kN meter. Now again, since this equation is valid only between point D and E, let's put it under third partition DE, and this whole equation is valid between point D and E. Now again, moving the section XX towards right beyond point E such that the section now is between point E and B. Now writing the bending moment about section XX, we see that there is an additional anti-clockwise moment caused due to this downward force of 20 kN acting at a distance of x minus 6 meter. So we have minus 20 into x minus 6 meters. Now since this equation is valid between point E and B, let's put it under another partition EB, and this much part of the equation is valid between point E and B. Now again, moving this section XX towards right beyond point B such that your section is between point B and F and at a distance x from origin C. Now writing the bending moment equation about section XX, considering the left hand side of section, we'll have all these terms, plus there will be an additional clockwise moment caused due to this upward vertical support reaction VB acting at a distance of 7 meter from section XX. So we have plus VB into x minus 7 meters. Now since this equation is valid between point B and F, let's put it under another partition BF, and this whole equation is valid between point B and F only. So this is a single bending moment equation obtained by using Macaulay's method.